lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. So off we go then. Joel Ward. Joel Ward plays it forward. Done very well to intervene. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Guaita sends that a long way. Joel Ward. Ayew. Well weighted. It's a brilliant interception. We can get that clear. Quick cut, has a pop! Attempt, just the wrong outcome.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then. Crystal Palace have made it clear what they're trying to do for me, Peter.
What are they trying to do?
Well, I think they're making the pitch as big as possible to work both flanks into better supply routes.
And the counter is on. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
Yeah, and he has to change his ways, or this referee could soon change his status.
Neither side really getting hold of the ball. Shapes to shoot! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Gets wrestled off the ball. Has a go! It's in! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Darlington take the lead.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Defenders on the back foot with a delicate ball. A hefty challenge, but fair enough.
That's just an example of overcommitting, and they're fortunate for the quality of the intervention. It was vital.
He's off on a marauding run. And the finish! Oh, that's a fine save!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Great leap! Up to meet it! No mistake! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight! A great delivery and a finish to match.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
So that's two now without reply.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Samu, real chance! Can he shoot? Oh, real danger here. Tries one! A really close shave, and
when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength.
Darlington go in at half-time on a comfortable 2-goal cushion. Well, the action has already resumed here. Good. He's had a shot! Great effort, beautifully taken.
That's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming.
Ayu provides an outlet. And it's Riederwald. That's surely a foul, free kick. He's trying the shot. Oh, that's brilliant! That is a gem! An absolute gem! The second half sparked straight into life. And he's produced a beauty. We have got ourselves a game here.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
That's a decent ball. Caught offside that time. Riederwald just brushed off the ball there. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. Face to face with the keeper. Tries a shot! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Crystal Palace can make their change now with a break in play. In with a header! That's a half-decent try.
Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work, though.
Patrick van Aanholt cuts it out. Joel Ward tries to get it forward quickly. It's come loose.
Darlington are clearly looking to kill this game off. It's keeping the ball away from the other end too.
Cahill. Cahill sends it forward. Gets on the end of it. That's a going for goal! Goal! And that should do it! Within sight of the finish line.
Oh, what a cracking goal, but a cracking touch as well. That's what made it for me. That's brilliant play all round.
So here comes a substitution.
Yeah, he's run himself into the ground, hasn't he? And it's good to see that the crowd appreciate his efforts, because he has put in a real honest shift.
Darlington take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win. Kroos is fouled. Darlington making another change here.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Gets into a dangerous position. Guaita catches it safely. Townsend. Andros Townsend plays it forward. And that will be the final act. Darlington come away.